Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if the man in your life is looking for an extremely comfortable and flattering pair of shorts, you cannot go wrong with this pair that we got from Best South. Some of the features that my husband likes the most are number one, that this has a 13-inch inseam. They're not so long that it's still hot when it's sunny out, but it's not so short that he feels like he's Daisy Duking it. These are cargo shorts. That's the other thing my husband loves is how many different pockets there are. Not only does it give it a really cool, like kind of 90s vibe, but it's also very practical. So my husband always has his wallet, a huge set of keys with him. And so he's always wanting me to put that in my purse, but now he can actually put it in his pockets, which I love too. We got him the size 32-inch waist. These are true to size. We got the color gray. These are Twill, 100% cotton, and they feel so good on my husband's skin. My husband's so pleased by the quality, the look, and the feel of these shorts, and I think he looks amazing in them. We think you're going to love them too, and that's our point of view.